Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on a Samsung Xpress M2880 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of a document, you start seeing blemishes or lines, anything like that, it's going to be a good indication that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So depending on how you're scanning or copying, whether you're using the top document feeder or the flatbed scanner, is going to help narrow down where you need to focus your cleaning. If you're scanning through the top document feeder, then you really want to focus on the small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That's going to be where all the documents are actually scanned when you're feeding through the top document feeder. The only time this big sheet glass is actually used is when you're using it as a flatbed scanner. So if that's when you're noticing the problems, then that's when you're going to want to focus really well on this big piece of glass. In our case, we're noticing most of our problems when we're feeding through the top document scanner, so that's where we're going to focus most of our time. To clean it, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner, a lint-free cloth, and you're always going to apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner directly to the glass. You run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass and causing a lot of other issues. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And it doesn't take a whole lot. And we're going to be looking for any kind of blemishes, so any kind of ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that that can have been left behind. And we're just going to clean it really well. And you're going to want to make sure that if you do see anything that you can get whatever it is off. So just give it a good clean. Wipe it all down. Give it a good visual inspection. If you see anything else, just kind of go over that area one more time. Make sure you're happy with the way it looks. And then while we're here, because this is such a big piece of glass and they're prone to fingerprints, just go ahead and wipe it down just to eliminate any other future problems. Okay. Give it a look over. I'm happy with the way that looks. So then I'd recommend go ahead and closing the top of the scanner. And then run a couple extra scans or copies through it. Make sure you're happy with the results. If you're still getting faint lines or little blemishes, there's probably just a little bit of something on there that's hard to see. Go over it one more time. Maybe run your fingernail across to see if you feel anything on there. Get it all nice and clean. You'll be good to go and back up and printing.